Hi, I'm Mike Ryan, the CEO of RSP based in Brookfield, Wisconsin. Here is a brief introduction to ocean plastic material. It is estimated that every 1 minute a garbage truck of plastic is dumped into the world's oceans. Annually, that accounts for over 8 million metric tons of plastic. There is an island of plastic between California and Hawaii that is the size of Texas. That island is made of floating plastic. There is a huge effort underway to remove this plastic, but that effort takes resources, and here is how you might be able to help. To start, when I talk about ocean plastic today, I'm not talking about what's in the ocean right now. I am talking about plastic waste that has already been removed from the ocean, or picked up from the beaches, or nearshore communities, or pulled out of rivers that flow into the ocean. It is this reclaimed and recycled ocean plastic that RSP is using to give the waste material a second life. This waste plastic is gathered, sorted, cleaned, and processed in order to be reused as ocean plastic. As ocean plastic, it is now capable of regenerating itself into something brand new. When you use recycled ocean plastic, not only are you improving the health of the world's oceans, cleaning up marine habitat, creating a story and branding opportunity for your product, but you are also helping grow the market that encourages and financially supports more removal of plastic from the oceans. RSP is a recognized global expert on the molding of ocean plastic. We are a partner of OceanWorks. OceanWorks has created the largest certified market for recycled ocean plastic in the world. OceanWorks guarantees the material that RSP uses is traceable and trackable from the source to the manufacturer and even to the end user. They also help support your clients' marketing efforts with media and programs and help promote the material and educate the consumer. If you use plastic, have sustainability goals, and are concerned about the health of the world's oceans, give us a call to find out more about recycled ocean plastic. Whether you need injection molded plastic, extruded sheets or rolls, blow molded bottles, yarn or textiles, or thermoform trays, we are here to help. We even have food grade options available. If you have questions or want to learn more about RSP or recycled ocean plastic, call or contact us today.